Doughnut vases. I've always thought of them as a cute trick, and they're everywhere at the moment. But one day when helping a student make one, I realized there are a few techniques that can help make this easier. For a point of difference, I'm making mine with straight sides, so it's more of a ring. I use plenty of clay for the body, a little over 2 kilos for the ring, and then around 200 grams for the base, and a little less for the top. I'm using a fine white mid-fire clay. I start by making the body. And I flatten to the outer diameter of the ring. Push down into the clay all the way to the bat or the wheel head. I open out to the inner diameter of the ring, and now I'm ready to start pushing down into the ring to make a channel. And I widen the channel a little. Now I'm ready to bring up the inner wall. It's definitely easier bringing the inner wall up first. And now I bring up the outer wall. I'm leaving plenty of clay in the rim. So once I have the right height, I start to squeeze the walls together and close them. So at this point, we're not worried about the shape. I'm just thinking about getting a really good join. Once the walls are joined together, the trapped air inside allows for really easy shaping. And now I can shape. Because my ring vase has straight sides, I'm using a straight edge. So now I'm ready to make the foot and the neck. So I take the slightly larger piece of clay and I center. I flatten the clay and then push down into the clay and bring the clay out. And then I want to bring the clay up and out into a bit of a flared foot. This will make the pot a little more stable. And now I do the same for the neck. I leave the neck straight-sided. And once I'm finished, I can set these aside to dry too. So the pieces are leather hard and I've cut them off the bats. I'm ready to do a little trimming. So I start by trimming the top of the ring shape and the sides. And once I'm done, I flip it over and I trim the other side. And now I shape the foot and neck. I just need a curve that's going to make them easier to fit to the body. I use a jar and gently tap the foot onto the jar, giving it a curve that seems to fit really well. Now I'm ready to attach. I need to cut a hole for the neck, and I do this using a hole cutter. Now I score. I score the neck as well. And now I use some slip that I've prepared earlier. It's just my clay body with water. Now I attach the neck and I give it a bit of a jiggle. I stand the vase on the neck and I mark out where the base is going to go. And I take the foot ring, score, and then score the base of the vase. Then I use slip to attach the two together. And I blend clay from the foot to the body. I also do this for the neck. I also add a very small coil of clay to the joined area. And then I spend a bit of time making sure that the forms are integrated together. And I smooth the joins. I trim away any excess on the base and the neck. And that's pretty much it. I dry and then I'll bisque and glaze. By the way, the inspiration for this square donut shape comes from another 18th century Korean pot, this time a flask. So this form has some history. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And keep an eye out for a further video using this technique. I've been a little inspired by the possibilities here. In the meantime, if you're interested in more joining, why not watch my self-watering planter video? And as always, thanks for watching.